In this video, you'll learn how to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting headings, making labels stand out, or fixing text that was typed in lowercase, this quick trick will help you transform your text without retyping anything. First, open your Google Docs document and make sure the text you want to change is visible on your screen. It can be a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple sections of your document. The key is that you have to tell Google Docs exactly which text you want to convert to all caps. To do that, start by highlighting the text. Place your cursor at the beginning of the text, then click and drag over it until everything you want to convert is selected. You'll see the selected text become shaded, which confirms it's highlighted. If you want to select a single word quickly, you can double click on it. For an entire paragraph, triple click anywhere in that paragraph. And if you ever select too much or too little, don't worry, just click again to remove the selection and try once more. Once your text is highlighted, you're ready to change it to uppercase. Move your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen where you see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Look for the option labeled Format. This is where Google Docs keeps most of its text, styling, and layout tools. Click on Format and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several categories, but the one we care about is text. Hover your mouse over text and another side menu will open. This side menu gives you more specific text options. In that text menu, look for an option called capitalization. This is the feature that controls how your letters are displayed. When you hover over capitalization, you'll see a few choices appear, including lowercase, title case, and uppercase. To convert everything you highlighted into all caps, click on uppercase. As soon as you select it, your highlighted text will be transformed into capital letters. The content itself stays the same, only the appearance of the letters changes. This means you don't lose any words, spacing, or formatting like bold or italics that you already applied. You're just changing how the letters are cased. Take a moment to look over the updated text and make sure it appears the way you want. If you change your mind or click the wrong option, you can always press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to undo the change and try again. You can repeat this process on any other part of your document whenever you need to. Today, I've shown you how to quickly capitalize all letters in Google Docs using the built-in formatting menu. Once you get used to highlighting text and navigating through format, text, capitalization, and then uppercase, this will become a simple, almost automatic step in your document editing workflow.